Welcome to POSable. In this video, we will look at the suppliers page in the POSable Back Office and how you can use this with your products to enable the supplier ordering functionality and speed up your stock ordering. Click on the suppliers menu link to create or view your current suppliers. Suppliers that you have created will be displayed in the table showing their details, status, and actions to edit or archive a supplier. As suppliers can be connected to products, then as with categories and products, POSable archive suppliers instead of deleting them for data retention. Click the Add Supplier button to create a new supplier. In this form, you can set supplier name, address, email, when setting the email address. If your suppliers accept orders by email, setting that email address here will enable you to send an order to your supplier directly from the supplier's ordering page. Telephone, account number. Ensuring this is correct will enable any orders sent through to your wholesaler supplier to be processed for your account. Payment method, a record of how you are expected to pay. For example, cash would be cash on delivery, and therefore you will have a clear record of what is required for the delivery. Order cutoff time. If your supplier has a daily cutoff time, for example 5 p.m., then set that time here. The POSable Back Office system will then alert you 30 minutes before, so you never miss your order cutoff time. Make sure you enable notifications in the checkbox. Once you have a supplier created, click on the menu link Supplier Ordering. This page contains the following. Weather. This might be a questionable inclusion in the POSable system. But why are you showing me the weather? A lot of brick and mortar shops, pop-ups and stalls are weather dependent. A heavy rainy day can fill a coffee shop or cafe with people wishing to warm up. Alternatively, a hot sunny day can potentially reduce sales of hot food, with customers opting for cooler items such as ice cream, milkshakes and frappes. The weather report offers an insight into what you may wish to consider ordering for your week ahead, or just what you are going to wear on the way to work. Underneath, we have the drop-down selection for suppliers. Select the supplier you have created, and this will load all the products associated with that supplier into the table below. This table also shows you how much of each product you have sold in the last 7 days, enabling you to make concrete decisions on stock ordering. Once you have compiled your order, either download it to upload, send to your supplier, or if your supplier takes email orders, then simply press the email order button. And that's it, order sent. That's all for how to set up suppliers and send in orders through POSable. Thanks for watching.